Hi guys, I hope you're all well today. So for today's video I decided to do a little soap brow tutorial, as it is something I'm very frequently asked on my Instagram. So if you would like to see how I achieved these brows, then please keep watching. So for starters, you are going to need a brow product. For today I chose the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. This is a dual-ended brow pen. On the one side is a pen and on the other side is a little spoolie. The next thing you are going to need is a setting spray. For today I'll be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dewy Set. And lastly, you are going to need a bar of glycerin soap. The one I have is the Pure soap. I'm not sure what brand this is from, but you can purchase this at Clicks. It is really not that expensive at all. It is just a see-through bar of soap. So the first thing I usually do is just brush my eyebrow hairs. I'm going to brush them upwards, as this is usually the shape I go for when I do fill them in. I'm then going to be taking the Brow Wiz from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is in the shade dark brown. Now what I do is I always start off by drawing a line along the bottom arch of my brow. Once I've done that, I just go back in with the brush and brush the product upwards through my hairs. And then I go back in with the Brow Wiz and just redefine the bottom line, as well as add brush strokes going upward in the same direction as my brow hairs. Once I'm happy with how much product is in my brows, I'm going to take my setting spray and I'm just going to spray a bit of setting spray on the soap. Take a spoolie brush, rub it on where I have sprayed, and then I'm going to go in and just brush my hairs upwards. I'm now going to go ahead and do the other eyebrow. I'm now just going to go in with some of the Luminous foundation from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm just going to clean out the bottoms. This is then the end result. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!